So you're back with me, Giles Bryant from All You Need Superfoods. Now, do you like a nice soup? Because I have the ultimate pumpkin soup for you. The All You Need Superfoods pumpkin soup. It's so easy to make and it is absolutely incredible. Would you like to try some? Would you like to show me how to make it? Well, okay. Well, we're pumpkin crazy. We really are. So what we're going to do here to make the ultimate soup, the ultimate pumpkin soup, right, is we are going to roast, first of all, the pumpkin. Yes, we are. Oh! So I've got a bit of pumpkin here, and we're going to roast it. So we're going to put these in, put these chunks in. You don't want them too big. There's a few seeds in there, that'll be lovely. That'll all cook down nicely. So we've got our people busy working away at All You Need HQ today. The team is here sending out orders and, you know, working on distribution and doing photos and videos and everything that we do for you, our lovely All You Need community. So we've got pumpkin, and this will be the first thing that we've got to do, right? So I've got a little bit of coconut oil here. We've got our pumpkin that we are going to roast, and we are going to got some Himalayan salt here. We're going to put on top, and then we've got some garlic and ginger and chili oil. I know that's a little bit. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to roast this in the oven. This wants to roast for about 40 minutes. So it's something you can just be getting on with something else. And that's going to be at about 180. So I'm going to put that in the oven, and then I'm going to come back and show you the next bit. So that pumpkin has been in the oven for about 35 minutes. So we're just going to do the next bit of our soup. Alright, so we've got some garlic here. Crush a bit of garlic. Ooh, very good for you, garlic. Very good for your physical health in lots of ways. Been used for thousands of years, isn't it? So we've got some coconut oil in the pan. I didn't say it, did I? Heating up a bit of coconut oil in the pan. There we go. We've got some garlic and some onions, some local onions. How about that? Grown locally, and again, so good for your physical health. Onions, lots of benefits for, particularly this time of year, you know. So here we go. So we've got an onion. We're going to finely chop it with a nice sharp knife. There we go. Chop the onion, and then put that in the pan and get a spoon. There we go. So what have we got here? We've got an onion, cabbage. You could use as a good alternative to onion, you know, if you finely chop it. Again, cabbage is like one of the best foods on earth. So good for you, vitamins and minerals and good bacteria and all that. So finely chop that cabbage as well in there. Alright. And they always say salt your onions. Okay. So once you put your onions in, you're going to give it a salt. And then in here I've got, here we go, organic garam masala. We're going to do a teaspoon. Depends if you like it, you know. You don't have to add the spice if you don't want to, but I do like a bit of that. What else we got in here? What else we got in this cupboard? There we go. We've got some, chuck in some mixed herbs as well. And just give that a good stir in, okay? All we've got to do is just fry that up. Let the flavours of the garam masala. My God, that smells so good. Okay, yep, good. Alright. And I reckon we are ready, whilst that is just frying up, for the next bit. This, you're going to love this. Woo. That is hot. Now this is our pumpkin, which has been roasting. Can you see that at all? Oh. So this is going to be really the secret to this soup, because a roasted pumpkin soup, and we're now going to mix that in with our onion, garlic, salt, a little bit of spice, oops, a little bit of garam masala. Get that in. Get that all in there. No one saw that bit from the floor, did they? Oh, wow. Okay, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Two cups of water to there. And just we're gonna add the all you need superfoods at the end, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Yes. Okay, so we've got the chia seeds, we've got some nuts. Always good to soak your nuts. Alright, soak your nuts first. And then, oh, absolutely amazing that smells. Now you could just enjoy it like that. You could just have it like that. A nice soup, let's just turn that off now. I think a nice pumpkin soup should be blended. I don't know about you. Oh, I tell you what, the All You Need team is going to be loving it today. They are going to be, yep, they're in the other room, absolutely as we speak. Oh, that's incredible. Now, what is an All You Need soup without a bit of All You Need? Now, you want to add this ideally at the end. Let's do a tablespoon of the All You Need superfoods. Boom. Right, so we've got our protein, fat, carbs, everything in there. Let's give it a whiz. That was probably very boring out of shot, but there we go. Oh! Heaven. Look at this. You see that? Oh my god. Wow. All you need, pumpkin soup. Oh, roasted pumpkin. Could it be any better? I don't know if it could. Let's put that in there. Let's put that in there. But I'm going to enjoy mine now. So thanks ever so much for watching. I hope it's been some inspiration for you to make some amazing All You Need recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share these videos to your friends and family. Have a great day. Right, where's my spoon? There's one. Right, here we go. Let's give it a little try. Oh, wow.